So it occurs to me that you may want to realize how I'm doing this. So this switch right here, this function switch, is tight as all get out. Tight as all get out. It's frozen inside of here. This thing is unplugged. It's been discharged at least overnight. Frozen in here. So what I do is I take this alcohol, it's 91%, put the old Q-tip in there, get it wet, put up here, go in there with it. I don't mind if I'm messy with the alcohol, it's gonna evaporate. I'm not turning this thing on until either tonight or tomorrow. It'll be sitting here for several hours with that fan over there blowing on it, so it won't get bad up. Kind of jam this in there and get the alcohol all over that joint there. And I work this thing. And I work this thing. And I work this thing. Over there. Give me a little more alcohol. I get it to the one side. And I give me a little more alcohol. And I get that on there. And I come in here. And I get all of this in here with the alcohol. My goal is to get it to go down this shaft through this little bushing here, because that's what happens. It gets gummed up in those bushings and it can't go nowhere. So now that I get it all wet again, I'm gonna move it the other way. Oh, yeah, getting easier. Oh, did you hear that? The detent started making noise. Oh, she even squeaked a little. Well, now that she's back the other way, we go in here and we get a little more alcohol on the old Q-tip, a-do-tip. Come in here and kind of like magic, that alcohol will work its way into that switch. Oh, so smooth. So you get it, and I'll do that again now. Just so you're aware, this gear down here that was on the VFO before, the band selector, I did the same thing back here to this. Did the alcohol here, came up here, did the alcohol here, that's the alcohol there. And did the alcohol here and all that, and watch this. Hey. And it works perfect. So, all the little pivot points here are going to get the old alcohol treatment. And we'll put this thing back together because it works. Now I got all these switches loosened up. I don't got to worry about ever coming back in here. I know the relays work. We got output. Everything does its thing. So I didn't blow out these with the air hose because, be honest with you, the air hose in the garage, this thing is 100 pounds and the garage is a flight of stairs away. So I'll go through, I'll soak these all down with alcohol again, give them a few more spins, maybe wipe off the wipers, make sure I don't leave any debris from the Q-tip in there, and we'll put it back together.